I believe that there is no perfect strategy in becoming disciplined. The enemy will always try to stop you from reaching your full potential, but that's where God gets in. My life completely changed the time I decided I will pray for everything in my life, even the little inconveniences. I encourage you to pray. It is the only way to escape the enemy's plan. Nothing is impossible with God. This is a 4 a.m. day in my life. I hope there is something you will take from this video. What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we put God first. I know that's right, where we put God first. Welcome to my 5 a.m. day in a life. If you want to be productive, this is your video. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Yeah. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and share this with your friends. Thank you so much. So things didn't go as planned. I had technical issues. Our Wi-Fi had a problem, so I was forced to stop studying. I think it was around 10 a.m. if I'm not mistaken, and it only came back now 1 hour later, because the time now is like 12:51. So yeah, we have to continue with the day. Now I'm going to bath again. Not that I bath 3 times a day. I don't. I bath only 2 times a day. The reason why I'm going to bath now, it is because I am feeling the heat, and I don't know, this day is just disturbed. I feel like refreshing. Oh my goodness. Refreshing, right? I feel like refreshing up again. I feel like refreshing up again to just, continue the day, to continue the day, because yeah, things feel disturbing whatsoever. Anyways, enjoy. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. God,